Man, this statue is gorgeous. Hello my friends and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris and I'm the Batman statue collector right here on YouTube, and we have a very special review here today. This is one that I have been anticipating for a very long time, and it is a piece that I think this company hit out of the park, and I'm talking about Queen Studios. Now this is their Wonder Woman quarter scale statue, and what I thought was absolutely brilliant about this one, it's basically two statues in one. It is the Gal Gadot kind of Wonder Woman and also the comic book based Wonder Woman, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Now there was some controversy about whether you'd be able to see her face with the shield, and that's what we're going to tackle today. And I have to give a major shout out, again, this is the second review he has sent in. This is Luis Mendoza, absolutely fantastic collector, and he did not want to share his thoughts. He wanted me to share my thoughts on this piece, and so he sent in his footage of his brand new statue. And again, I cannot thank him enough for doing that, to share it with the community, because again, we love this stuff, right? We love this stuff. It's fun to talk about, it's fun to check out, and a lot of times it's fun to be able to see, is it worthy of your purchase? I have so many collectors that say, hey Chris, I wait to watch your channel to see, hey, what do I think about it? What do I think about it after I see this thing? You guys feel the same way, and then you make your judgment because of the footage or because of my review. I love that. I love to be able to help you guys out make that decision. I love to hear that. So anyway, I have to give, again, a major shout out to Luis. Absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait to review this piece. Again, Queen Studios Wonder Woman 1/4 scale. Let's do it. All right, guys, so let's dive right in, and it's so cool because we actually get to see both torsos, and again, this does come with two for this price point, and it is very exciting. Now, this is starting to ship as we speak, so you know, if you have ordered this, you should be getting it in hand. If not, I will put the link down below. Basically, the base is a Greek-inspired base, obviously with the Greek columns, you know, everything crumbled. A lot of really nice detail here. Again, I know that he was very pleased with the way this turned out, and everything I've seen from this particular statue in hand, it all looks fantastic. It looks, you know, prototype quality to me, at least. And these images, I think, speak for themselves. The paint applications look really good. There's really great texturing throughout. I think it looks really great. Obviously, you have that, again, crumbled base, a lot of great detail. The skin texture looks really good here to me, at least on the video it looks good. I think that the texturing on the skirt looks phenomenal. I think that looks really great. I like the way it was painted and sculpted. It has that fold, that pull, which looks great. You can see the muscle definition in the back of her thigh. Looks really great. Obviously, you have the sword. There are a couple different swap outs. You can, you know, pose her with the lasso of truth. You can do the sword. You can also do the shield, and the shield, which we'll see here in just a moment, you know, it does beg the question of whether you can see her face or not. But this particular way right here, you can have her fist balled up with her lasso on her hip. You can also have her posed with it. So it really just kind of depends on what you're going for. But I like that you have different options, and I love the fact that there's a different torso. Now, what we're looking at here, this is the comic book version, okay? This is not the Gal Gadot version, so this is the comic book version. I think it looks really good. I think the portrait is nice, although I personally like the Gal Gadot portrait even better. I like the definition in her arm. You can see the muscle there. And again, it just has a really nice flow to it. I think this is a very awesome quarter scale piece. You guys probably want dimensions. I've got it in centimeters here. 47 centimeters high by 39 centimeters wide by 30 centimeters deep. The edition size, as far as I have seen, is 2,890. So not bad for this popular of character. Again, I think she looks really good from all angles. But again, it really is going to come down to whether we like that shield in her face or not. You can also see off in the distance right there the other torso. It does come with a stand, which is really something cool. I do like that. But you can really see the flow of how she is kind of angled off to the side. It's got a really nice movement to it, some nice storytelling elements like we talk about. Obviously, it does have that great certificate also. So you can change the skirt out like that. So there's a couple of different skirt options. Again, it just slides right over, as you can see, and then you just simply lift the torso up and put it on top. Now that what we're looking at here is the extra stand that does come with it. This, of course, is that Gal Gadot portrait, which looks really great. And here he's spinning it around for us. You see the QS on the back. That's kind of a nice touch, the Queen Studios. Very nice. And again, you can see that way the muscle pulls on her arm. Just looks really nice. And again, that simply lifts off and lifts down on the key. and that way you can see what the difference is, again, with the comic book version versus the Gal Gadot version. A little bit different details, obviously, but I just like this portrait. I think this portrait is beautiful. This is the one that I would display. I just think it's really phenomenal. I know our good friend Jeff Delaney is going to be reviewing this as well. I'm curious as to which portrait he will have on his. Of course, definitely check out Secret Sanctuary. If you haven't, so where's her face? Like, where's her face? So this looks really good with the shield too, if you have it off to the side. So yes, it does block some of it. It really depends on optimal viewing angle. It really, really does. So it's going to be interesting depending on how you want it displayed. I think most people will probably want to do the lasso because it does block a lot of the face, and that's a shame. But as you can see, depending on which angle you have, you can still see her face from certain angles, but definitely not from the front. So I can definitely see where somebody wouldn't want to do that. Again, it's going to be up to you and your personal preference, but I think no matter which way you go, it's going to be very fun, very dynamic. I am loving what I'm seeing here. I love the bright, bold colors. I think it just looks fantastic. I like that it's got the extra display stand. I really like this pose. I probably prefer it with the shield, but again, you're going to have the right angle for that. Otherwise, definitely go with the lasso. We didn't see the lasso posed in this particular video, but we did get to see, her with that fist where it would be holding it. I think the hair looks really well sculpted. I can't really tell here if it's got any extra color in the strands of hair or if it's just straight black, but I think the shield looks good. I'm just really impressed with this piece, and I love the fact, guys, that it's literally a comic book piece and a movie piece. It is whatever you want it to be, and I think that Queen Studios was the first company to ever do that, to offer two different portraits, and so I think that that is really something special. Again, ES on this $2,890, and it is shipping. I will put the link down below again because I think it's absolutely worthy of your purchase. I think it looks really good. I think the paint application looks good. Just a really fun piece from our friends over at Queen Studio. So as always, I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think? I think it turned out really, really beautiful. I think it is a fantastic statue. I think this is going to be a piece that people kick themselves in the butt saying, hey, why did I not pre-order that? Why didn't I not buy that? And so I don't even know if it's available as the recording of this. If it is, I will put a link down below. But it is a really, really beautiful piece. I think it's well executed, beautifully sculpted. I think the portraits look really nice. But I do want to hear your thoughts. What do you guys think? Queen Studios has had a really good price point on these quarter scales. And so I have to tip my hat again to a newish company putting out really amazing products, and so it's just really exciting to see. But again, I do want to turn it over to you. I want to know what you think. Are you going to order it because of this review? Let me know down below in the comments. Otherwise, thank you guys so very much for checking out the video today. If you are new here, please hit that red subscribe button. It's free. I think you're really going to enjoy the content. Please like it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. It helps other collectors find this content, and helps us grow. We're on our road to 40K. We're getting closer and closer, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you so very, very much for everything you guys do here on the channel and just being part of this freaking community. It's so awesome to have you as part of this group. I feel each and every one of you through the screen. Like it makes me just so excited to be able to have this platform, to be able to communicate with you and share this passion with you, because I feel it. I feel it in the comments. I feel it whenever you guys watch. So thank you guys so very much for that. It means the world to me. And I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon in the Batcave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these two awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.